How to see others people best friends list on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to see other people's best friend list on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now head towards your chat section at bottom left corner and open the particular users for whom you want to simply see their best friend list. Tap three dots at top right corner of their chat and then tap manage friendship. In here you can see that there is no such option that says or that direct you to see the best friend list of this particular Snapchatter. So what you can do is simply come across your profile at top left corner of the screen and then tap Snapchat Plus. Simply, you need to use the Snapchat's premium services and from here you can simply check the mutual friends of the particular Snapchatter. So that's only the way for looking or checking someone's best friend list on Snapchat. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.